Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question of the day. Find the differential equation of the function y is equal to square root sin x plus square root sin x plus square root sin x up to infinity. So first we will define differential equation. That what is differential equation? So differential equation is that equation which involve the derivatives of one dependent variable or more independent variable is called differential equation. So that equation which involves the derivative of one dependent variable means y, or more independent variable means x, is called differential equation. For example, dy by dx equal to product of x and y. Similarly, dy by dx equal to x plus y. So this is differential equation. Now let's come to the question solution. So first we suppose that let y equal to square root of sin x. Suppose this part by y, sin x plus y. Now taking square on both sides to get y square equal to sin x plus y. So differentiate this equation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx times y square equal to d by dx into sin x plus y. Apply a power rule on left hand side to get 2 times y to the power 2 minus 1. Again differentiate y with respect to x. dy divided by dx equal to d by dx times sin x plus d by dx into y. So 2y into dy divided by dx equal to derivative of sin x is equal to cos x plus dy divided by dx. So 2y into dy by dx, shift this dy divided by dx to the left hand side to get minus dy divided by dx equal to cos x. Now taking common dy by dx from left hand side to get dy divided by dx time 2y minus 1, which is equal to cos x. So we can also write this equation in the form of dy by dx into 2y minus 1. Shift this cos x to the left hand side to get minus cos x equal to 0. So dy divided by dx times 2y minus 1 minus cos x equal to 0 is the required differential equation of the given function. Thanks.